So, good morning, friends. We go for the relation between y parameters in terms of different parameters. First, y parameter in terms of z parameters. Now, the standard y parameters are given by I1 equal to y11 v1 plus y12 v2, I2 equal to y21 v1 plus y22 v2. In similar manner, standard z parameters are given by v1 is equal to z11 I1 plus z12 I2, v2 equal to z21 I1 plus z22 I2. As usual, from equation 4, so z22 I2 equal to v2 minus z21 I1. From that, I2 equal to 1 by z22 v2 minus z21 by z22 I1, that is equation 5. Now substitute this equation 5 into equation 3. So v1 is equal to z11 I1 plus z12 into 1 by z22 v2 minus z21 by z22 I1. So we can expand this one, and we are getting the now we are getting the I1 value, because so z parameters are in currents expressed in terms of voltages. That's why I1 in terms of v1 v2, that is I1 equal to z22 by delta z v1 minus z12 by delta z v2, termed as equation 6. Now substituting equation 6 in equation 4, we are getting the I2 value. For that, so I2 equal to minus z21 by delta z v1 plus z11 by delta z v2, that is termed as equation 7. Now comparing equation 1 and 6 and 2 and 7, so y11 equal to, so 1 that is nothing but here 2 is opposite. Y11 equal to z22 by delta z, y12 minus z12 by delta z, y21 minus z21 by delta z, y22 z11 by delta z. Like that, we have to determine the y parameters in terms of z parameters. Another one relation is y parameters in terms of ABCD parameters. As usual, the y parameters are I1 equal to y11 v1 plus y12 v2, I2 equal to y21 v1 plus y22 v2, and the standard ABCD parameters is v1 equal to AV2 minus BI2, I1 equal to CV2 minus DI2. And similar manner, from equation 3, BI2 minus BI2 is equal to v1 minus AV2, BI2 is equal to AV2 minus v1, and I2 equal to A by B v2 minus 1 by B v1. So that is termed as equation 5. Substitute this one into equation 4, and we are getting the I1 value. I1 is equal to B by D v1 plus BC minus AD by B v2. So compare equation 1 and 6 and also 2 and 5. Y11 equal to D by B, y12 equal to BC minus AD by B, y21 equal to minus 1 by B, y22 equal to A by B. Like that, you have to determine the y parameters in terms of ABCD parameters. So another one is y parameter in terms of H parameters. The standard y parameters are I1 equal to y11 v1 plus y12 v2, I2 equal to y21 v1 plus y22 v2. Similar manner, the standard H parameters are v1 equal to h11 I1 plus h12 v2, I2 equal to h21 I1 plus h22 v2. So from equation 3, h11 I1 equal to v1 minus h12 v2. So I1 is equal to 1 by h11 v1 minus 1 by h12 v2, equation 5. But so our equation in terms of I1 in terms of v1 v2, so this is possible. Now substitute this equation 5 into equation 4. I2 equal to h21 multiplied by 1 by h11 v1 minus h12 by h11 v2 plus h22 v2. So that may be expanded. So lastly, we have to determine I2 equal to h21 by h11 v1 plus delta h by h11 v2, that is termed as equation 6. Now compare equation 1 and 5 and also equation 2 and 6. Determine the y parameters individual. Y11 equal to 1 by h11, y12 equal to minus h12 by h11, y21 is equal to h21 by h11, and lastly y22 equal to delta h by h11. Like that, you have to determine the y parameter in terms of Z parameters, ABCD parameters and H parameters. Now go for the another relations. ABCD parameters in terms of another parameters, that is ABCD. First of all, ABCD parameter in terms of Z parameters. The standard ABCD parameters are V1 equal to AV2 minus BI2, I1 equal to CV2 minus DI2, and standard Z parameters are V1 equal to Z11 I1 plus Z12 I2, V2 equal to Z21 I1 plus Z22 I2. As usual from equation 4, Z21 I1 equal to V2 minus Z22 I2. Therefore I1 equal to 1 by Z21 V1 minus Z22 by Z21 I2. So substitute that equation in equation 3. We are getting the V1 equal to Z1 multiplied by 1 by Z21 V2 minus Z22 by Z21 I2 plus Z12 I2. So we can expand that one. We are getting the V1 value Z11 by Z21 V2 plus delta Z by Z21 I2. So compare equation 1 and 6 and 2 and 5. We are getting the individual ABCD parameters in terms of Z parameters. A equal to Z11 by Z21, B equal to delta Z by Z21, C equal to 1 by Z21, D equal to Z22 by Z21. So another relation, ABCD parameter in terms of Y parameters. The standard ABCD parameters are given by V1 equal to AV2 minus BI2, I1 equal to CV2 minus DI2. Similar manner, the standard Y parameters are given by, so I1 equal to Y11 V1 plus Y12 V2, I2 equal to Y21 V1 plus Y22 V2. As usual, remaining derivations from equation 4, Y21 V1 equal to I2 minus Y22 V2. Therefore V1 equal to 1 by Y21 I2 minus Y22 by Y21 V2. So that may be expressed as equation 5, and substitute this equation 5 into equation 3. So we are getting I1 value. So Y11 multiplied by minus Y22 by Y21 V2 plus 1 by Y21 I2 plus Y12 V2, and expanded that one. We are getting, so delta Y by Y21 V2 plus Y11 by Y21 I2. So this is termed as equation 6. As usual, compare equation 1 and 5 and also 2 and 6. We are getting A value, B value, C value, D value individually. A equal to minus Y22 by Y21, B equal to 1 by minus 1 by Y21, C equal to delta Y by Y21, and D equal to minus Y11 by Y21. And lastly, ABCD parameters in terms of H parameters. So standard ABCD parameters are given by V1 equal to AV2 minus BI2 and I1 equal to CV2 minus DI2. The standard H parameters are given by V1 equal to H11 I1 plus H12 V2 and I2 equal to H21 I1 plus H22 V2. As usual from equation 4, H12 I1 equal to H22 V2 plus I2. Therefore I1 is equal to minus H22 by H21 V2 plus 1 by H21 I2, that termed as equation 5. That may be substituted in equation 3. We are getting V1 value, so that may be expanded, and lastly we are getting the equation V1 equal to delta H by H21 V2 plus H11 by H21 I2, termed as equation 6. By comparing equation 1 and 6 and also 2 and 5, getting the ABCD parameters in terms of H parameters individually. A equal to delta H by H21, B equal to minus H11 by H21, C equal to minus H22 by H21, and D equal to minus 1 by H21. And last relation, that is H parameters in terms of ABCD, Z and Y. So as usual, H parameters are given by V1 equal to H11 I1 plus H12 V2, I2 equal to H21 I1 plus H22 V2. Similarly, Z parameters are V1 equal to Z11 I1 plus Z12 I2, V2 equal to Z21 I1 plus Z22 I2. From equation 4, so Z22 I2 equal to V2 minus Z21 I1. Therefore I2 equal to 1 by Z22 V2 minus Z21 by Z22 I1, termed as equation 5. And this equation 5 may be substituted into equation 3. So V1, we are getting V1 value, and this one will may be expanded, and last we are getting V1 is equal to delta, not delta Z, Z11 Z22 minus Z12 Z21 by Z22 I1 plus Z21 by Z22 V2. Compare 1 and 6 and also 2 and 5. We are getting individual H parameters in terms of Z parameters. Another one, H parameter in terms of Y parameters. Standard H parameters are given by V1 equal to H11 I1 plus H12 V2, I2 equal to H21 I1 plus H22 V2. The standard Y parameters are given by I1 equal to Y11 V1 plus Y12 V2, I2 equal to Y21 V1 plus Y22 V2. So substitute from equation 3. So Y11 V1 equal to I1 minus Y12 V2. Therefore V1 equal to 1 by Y11 I1 minus 1 minus Y12 by Y11 V2 termed as equation 5. Substitute this equation 5 into equation 4. So we are getting the I2 value. So that may be expanded. Therefore I2 equal to Y21 by Y11 I1 minus Y12 Y21 by Y11 V2 plus Y22 V2. So and lastly we are getting I1 value equal to Y21 by Y11 I1 plus Y11 Y22 minus Y12 Y21 by Y1 V2. So we are comparing equation 1 and 5 and 2 and 6, getting the individual H parameters in terms of Y parameters. And last one is so H parameters in terms of ABCD parameters. H parameters are V1 equal to H11 I1 plus H12 V2 and I2 equal to H21 I1 plus H22 V2. But standard ABCD parameters are V1 equal to AV2 minus BI2, I1 equal to CV2 minus DI2. From equation 4, DI2 equal to CV2 minus I1. Therefore I2 equal to 1 by DI1 plus C by dV2 termed as equation 5. Substitute this equation 5 into equation 3. We are getting the V1 value. So we and expanded it V1 equal to B by DI1 plus AD minus BC by dV2. Compare equation 1 and 6 and 2 and 5. So H11 and H21, H12, H22 may be obtained in terms of ABCD parameters. Out of all these interrelations, Z parameters in terms of Y parameters, Y parameter in terms of Z parameters, ABCD parameter in terms of H parameters are the most important one.